So when we talk about graph theory, we're talking about a simple undirected graph in this case. And what we want to look at is two sets. There's a vertex set and an edge set. For an undirected graph, each edge will be a two-element subset of V. So to help us visualize these things, we're going to draw diagrams where the vertices are represented by dots or small circles, and the edges are represented by lines or arcs. For the same graph, we can draw a lot of different diagrams. As an example, let's draw two different diagrams for a graph G where the vertex set is A, B, C, D, E, F, and the edge set consists of the sets A and B, A and C, A and E, C and F, D and F, and C and E. So here's one diagram. You can see that I have the edge AB corresponding to this subset AB, and you can see all the edges I have here correspond to these sets. Here's another diagram. Notice these diagrams might look different, but they actually represent the exact same graph. So you can draw infinitely many different diagrams for the same graph. Here's another example. Here we have the graph with the vertex set 1, 2, 3, 4, and our edges are going to be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, and 3, 4. Again, these are undirected graphs. So there's no notion of an arrow or anything. We just have one single arc connecting 3 to 4. And this is just one of infinitely many different possibilities. This is something students might struggle with at first. It's really common for students to get confused with the notion of a graph versus its diagram. It's important to emphasize here that a graph is not the same thing as its diagram. On this left side, I have a graph defined with the vertex set 1, 2, 3, and two edges, 1, 2, and 2, 3. And you see I have a bunch of different diagrams that I could draw. All of these are different diagrams, but they represent the same graph. On the other hand, in the second picture, these are actually different graphs. Even though their diagrams look very similar, the first graph has vertex set ABC, and the second has vertex set. Since graphs are actually defined in terms of their vertex and edge sets, these two graphs are not the same.